In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing in Adobe Acrobat. This can be essential for protecting sensitive information and ensuring that your document remains unchanged by unauthorized parties. We'll walk through this process step by step to make it easy and effective. First, you're going to want to open Adobe Acrobat and have your PDF document ready that you want to protect. Upon opening the document, make your way to the menu located in the upper left corner of the window. Here you'll find a variety of options, but what we're interested in is the section labeled Protection. Once you select Protection, you'll see an option for Security Properties. Click on that and a new window will appear offering a detailed list of security settings. In this new window you'll look for Security Method. Click on this drop down menu and select Password Security. This will enable specific security options that can prevent others from making unwanted changes to your PDF. Under the Permissions section of the settings, locate the option that allows you to restrict editing and printing of the document. Enable this feature to move forward. Now, in this same permissions area, decide what printing restrictions you need. You can set it up to allow no printing, low resolution printing, or high resolution printing. Your choice will depend on how much access you want other users to have. Keep in mind, low resolution is typically good for draft purposes, while high resolution is suitable for professional prints. Similarly, in the section labelled Changes Allowed, you have additional choices. You may decide not to allow any changes, or you can permit specific actions such as filling in form fields or signing the document. These options give you flexibility depending on how the document will be used. Once you're satisfied with the settings, you need to secure them with a password. Enter a unique password in the Change Permissions password box. This protects the settings from being changed without your knowledge. Remember to choose a strong password and of course to note it down safely, as you'll need it to make any future alterations. Finally, you will complete the process by clicking OK. You'll be prompted with a dialog box to confirm these settings. Click OK again. Another prompt will ask you to re-enter your password to affirm your permissions change. Type it in and click OK. An additional confirmation box will appear. Simply click OK for the last time. To wrap it up, make sure you save your document to preserve all these security settings. You can do this by going to File and then selecting Save. And there you have it, your document is now protected against unauthorized editing and alterations. By following these steps, you ensure your PDF's integrity and confidentiality, giving you peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.